Andrew supports two teams in a football competition. The probability that team A reaches the final is 0.25. The probability that both teams reach the final is 0.1. Represent this on a probability tree diagram and calculate the probability that one team reaches the final. Okay, now if you look at it carefully, we know the probability of team A reaches final is 0.25. We know both team A and B reach final is 0.1, but we're not given probability for team B. So we need to learn how to work backwards. So team A, we know to reach final is 0.25. But team B, we don't know anything about that. That's a question mark. But we know that both reaching final, A and B, is 0.1. And 0.1 comes from team A and team B both reaching final. So we need to set up a simple equation. So that means that 0.25 times whatever we don't know should equals to 0.1. So if we divide both sides by 0.25, we now know 0.4 as the probability of team B reaching final. Then we can now continue our tree diagram. So we know each branch should add up to 1, so the complement is 0.75. If it is 0.4, that will be 0.6, and the same repeats on the second one. So if we want to work out the probability that one team reaches final, is FE, that's finals or eliminated or final. These two is what we need to calculate. So 0.25 times 0.6 plus 0.75 times 0.4, and that gives us 0.45. The next stage is where we talked about probability, whereby using diagram will be much complicated. So therefore we've got to use our thinking skills to create the pattern of working out the probability without using diagram. So the next two examples will be without using diagrams. Now,